Hello, good day viewers. I welcome you all to this mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to look at how we can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So we are going to use two methods. So let's look at how we can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So here is our question. So remember, I've said that we are going to use two methods. So here we are going to start with method 1, okay? So for method 1, you are given this matrix, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, okay? So how can we find the determinant? So under method 1, we are going to write the same matrix that you have been given. Write the same one. Okay, then when you do that, what you are going to do is you are going to add two columns, okay? You are going to add two columns. So we are going to add this first column and the second one here. So you write 2, 1, 4. Again, we have this other one, 1, 3, 3. So this is our matrix. Then from here, since we are finding the determinant, we are going to write det. So you can name this matrix as the matrix B. So determinant of matrix B is equal to, we know when we are finding the determinant of a matrix, we should find the product of the major diagonal minus the product of the minor diagonal elements. So when you look at this matrix here, the major diagonal is this, okay? So we will take, this is our major diagonal right here, even this, okay? So we find their product. So we are going to say 2 times 3, it's 6. 6 times 1, you still get a 6. Plus, we are not done. There is also another major diagonal here. 1 times 1, it's 1. Times 4, you get a 4. You write a 4 here. Plus, 3 times 1, it's a 3. 3 times 3, it's a 9. We can close now. Then we say minus. So this minus is part of the formula. Then we are going to subtract the product of the minor diagonal elements. So the minor diagonal elements are these elements which are in this way. So these are the minor diagonal elements, these ones. Okay, so we are also going to find their product. So we say 4, you can say 3 times 3, it's 9. 9 times 4, you get a 36. So you can write 36 here, plus 3 times 1, it's a 3. 3 times 2, it's a 6. Plus 1 times 1, you get 1. 1 times 1, again 1. Okay. After doing this, we are going to write determinant of matrix B is equal to, let us just add these values. So 6 plus 4, it's a 10. 10 plus 9, we get 19. Take away. Here we have a minus here, minus 36 plus 6. Okay, 36 plus 6. We are going to get the 2. 42 plus 1, 43. So this is what you get. We can say therefore determinant of matrix B is equal to, so let us just subtract 19, take away 43. So this will give us a negative 24. Okay, so this is our determinant. So you can use this method if you want to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us now look at the other method. All right, so now here we have come to our method 2. We are still looking at how we can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now under method 2, your focus should be on the first row right here. Okay, so this is row 1 where we have 2, 1, and 3. So here we are going to put the signs. We have the plus here, the minus, and the plus here. What you are going to do is you are going to say determinant of B. Remember, I did mention that this should be matrix B is equal to. So the first sign is a plus. Okay, so you get these two. So what you do is you start covering up. Okay, so you can cover up like this. If you start on 2, you cover the entire row and this other one. So you are remaining with 3, 1, 3, 3. That's what you are going to write here. Okay, so we can write, so you get the same 2 now. We say 2, then we make a 2 by 2 matrix, 3, 1, 3, 1. We do this. Okay, then the second one, the sign is a minus here. So you write a minus here. So this 2 which is here, it means it's going to multiply with whatever determinant that you find. So here we have a 1, so we are going to write a 1 here. Then we do the same. So when we come to 1, we are going to cover the entire column and the row like this. So we remain with 1, 1, 4, 1. So 1, 1, 4, 1. We can close, okay, like this. Then when you are done, we come to the third element right here, which is having which sign? Plus here. So we write plus, then we write a 3. We do the same. We cover this column and we cover this entire row here. You can see we are remaining with 1, 3, 4, 3. 1, 3, 4, 3. Okay, that is what you are going to remain with. Then from here, we can say 2. So we know that to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we find the product of the major diagonal elements, which is 3 times 1. It's a 3. Okay? Then minus 3 times 1, again, it's a 3. From here, you write minus a 1. Again, 1 times 1, it's a 1. 4 times 1, you get a 4. We are done. Plus these 3 right here. 1 times 3, it's a 3. Minus 4 times 3, it's a 12. Then from here, we can say 2. This one will give us a 0. Minus 1. 1 minus 4, this will give us negative 3. Plus, we write a 3 here. 3 minus 12, this will give us negative what? 9. Okay. So from here, we know that 2 times 0, this will give us a 0. Negative times negative, it's a positive. 1 times 3, it's a 3. Again here, negative, positive times negative, it will give us a negative. 3 times 9 to give us a 20 what? A 27. From here, we just say 0 plus 3, it's a 3. 3 minus 27, okay? It will give us a negative 24. So this is our determinant. So you can notice that both method 1 and method 2, they are giving us the same what? Determinant. So we have come to the end of our short presentation. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.